Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. As part of my PhD research at Florida Atlantic University, I'm taking my designs from Solidworks all the way to fabrication using 3D printing. Now, let me show you how I'm working on a custom bracket for my experiment. After finalizing the design in Solidworks, I'll be 3D printing it myself, ensuring the precision I need. Once it's printed, I'll personally drill the necessary holes and fine-tune the piece to fit perfectly into my experimental setup. It's a fascinating process, going from digital design to hands-on fabrication, and it's crucial for achieving the exact specifications required for my research. I hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek into my PhD research. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.